that's controlling your name. No, no, please, I can't be playing with the reason that your fingers only pointing